Hi guys, in this video, I'll be explaining how you can implement offline video playback inside your Expo React Native application. Let's take that you are working in a video streaming platform where you stream videos to your users, and when the users log onto your app, they can tap on the video and then start playing the video and start consuming your content. Right now, you want to upgrade this experience by implementing offline video playback where the users can download the app just like YouTube and then play the videos even if they have no internet access. Right. So you can implement this in two ways. One is you can implement all of these features from scratch by in React Native by accessing the file system and then testing it in multiple Android and iOS devices, right? But that would cost you a lot of engineering hours, where you can spend those engineering hours and business hours on improving your business and increasing your revenues, right? YouTube and Netflix can afford this because they have thousands and thousands of engineers to implement this and maintain it, right? But if you are a smaller team and then if you want to implement this feature within a day or a week, you have to use an external or a third party solution, right? This is where offline video SDK comes into play, right? So how does this work, right? The main thing is video streaming is not that easy. So you have to stream the videos over the internet. You have to have multiple different formats where you stream the content via HLS or Dash. And then if you stream the content via MP4, your bandwidth cost would be too high. And then the loading times would be too high, right? Now, what is offline SDK, right? The simple, very simple explanation is when the videos are streamed over the internet, you download the videos just like this, and then I will also show it in the app, in the YouTube app. You tap on the download button, you download the videos and store it in your cache, right? And when the users access this particular video, you access the downloaded contents from your cache and then the video plays, right? This seems very easy and very trivial by just like tapping on two buttons here or clicking on two buttons here in the website and in the app, but it takes a lot of engineering hours to do all of these things, right? Now, in order to speed up this process, where by just implementing this offline video SDK, you can offload all this stuff to the team which maintain all these things, and you can focus only on improving your content and then increasing your revenue, right? So if you are in the video streaming industry where you stream e-learning content, fitness content, or like web series and all those things, you can use the offline video SDK to speed up your development flow and then provide real value to your users, right? So before going into the implementation and showing the demo on the Android side and then in an iOS side, I will show with airplane mode off, and then how it works in a real world scenario, right? Now, so the prerequisites are you should have your own video streaming platform where it can be AWS S3 or mux.com where you stream the videos over the internet, right? This particular SDK supports both DRM protected videos and non DRM protected videos, right? And then it automatically manages your assets which are in your cache, and then it downloads the Dash and HLS format seamlessly. The main thing is you can download the MP4 content with a single command in React, with a single code offline in React Native. But if you want to download HLS and Dash, you can't do it properly because the HLS and the Dash video like files would have segments of the videos, like it would have segments or chunks of those videos, and then your offline of SDK should manage to download all these chunks one by one, combine them, and then keep it in your cache, right? Offline video SDK manages that out of the box, and then you don't have to worry if you have Dash or HLS videos, right? And it automatically handles DRM protected videos as well, right? Now, let's see the demo. So I have implemented this feature with help of this particular library, right? So I have installed this library, and then this is a template which you can find in GitHub. So I'll open up this, and then I will show you. Yeah, you can go to this particular template, and then you can download it. You can clone it, and then you can run the app within 5 minutes. right? So I'll show you the demo here. So this runs on an Android emulator, and then this runs in my real iPhone device, which I am mirroring here, right? So this right now internet is on. Now what I'm going to do is, this is a 12-minute video, right? And this is a 13-minute video. So I'm going to download it, right? The same way I'm going to download it on my real iPhone. So the video is getting downloaded and it's been installed inside my inside my mobile device, right? This video is longer, so I'm going to install these two videos as well. Okay, you can see this particular video has been installed. Now if I click on it, the video will play instantly because it has been cached locally, right? Now if I tap on this, it would take some time to load, and then it loads, right? Because it's streaming over the internet. Now what I'm going to do is, see, I'm going to go here, switch this off, and then I'm going to go and click on airplane mode as well. Okay, so internet is not working. Now I'm going to go to Chrome, and if I go to Chrome, it won't work. Okay, I'm going to reload this page. Okay, this is cached, so I'm going to go and search. I'll go to some other page inside the website. So I'm going to tap on, okay, it's not working, right? It's no internet is there. But still, if I go to this video will be played over the internet. If I tap on it, it will not load. Okay, you can see it's not loading. But if I click on this, it will load from the cache, right? And then if I re-enable Wi-Fi and then this one, and switch off airplane mode, if I go here and then if I download this video, it will start downloading and it is downloaded, right? Now if I switch on airplane mode again, if I go here, you can see the video is playing. Now what I'm going to do is, I'm going to delete the video, right? If I go here, it's playing from the cache. But if I reload the app, so if I reload this particular application, yeah, it will still play. Now I'm going to, okay, you can see the video is getting downloaded. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to switch off airplane mode, and then you can see the video, the 12-minute video, which is a long one, is being downloaded even if I am in the background or even if I open up the app, right? So once the video is downloaded, your users can access the app even if they are in no internet zone, or like even if they are in airplane mode, right? This will save bandwidth not only for your users, but it will save internet spend not only for your users, but it will also save your bandwidth, right? Because when you click on this video, you stream the video content over the internet to your user. That costs money, right? But if the video is already cached in the local site, it saves you money as well, because there is no bandwidth spent over the internet, right? Now this video is being downloaded gradually, and then once that is done, we can access this particular video even if it is in offline mode. But for this, you can see it takes some time to load, and then yeah, you can see when I scrub the video, it takes time to load, right? All this is because this particular video, or like, is streamed over the internet. But if I tap on this, as this video is already cached, I'm already seeing some buffer values here, and then the buffering would be non-existent because you are viewing the video from the cache, right? Or playing the video from the cache, right? So this is all possible in both Android and then in the iOS version. This is like latest iOS, and then the Android 16, and this is iOS 18 and 26. So with just like implementing a file of code, or like 100 to 200 lines of code with help of this SDK, I was able to do this, right? So to implement this SDK, you can click on sign up. I have provided this link. You can click on sign up, and then you can sign up here, and then you can get the tokens, and then you can move forward. So I will show you the tokens. Yeah, so here you can once you sign up, you can go here, create an application, and inside that application you will get the required tokens, and then you can use these tokens to use that inside your application and have video offline playback capabilities inside your application out of the bat, right? So by implementing this particular SDK, you would have saved lot of time in your engineering hours, and you can focus on producing content and then stabilizing your app, and then increasing your revenue, and that's the part of the business. Yeah. So thanks for watching this video. So do click on the links which I have provided in the description, so that you can go to this website and then sign up for accessing offline video SDK to improve your business.